smells really good. They gon' try to put it down like wow, it's been you and me since I made. Hey, what's up guys? It's time. It's finally here. Oh shoot, you can't even see it. It's probably broke now. You can't even see what I have. Where's the, oh, right here. Okay, so it came yesterday, but as you guys know, I don't work. Well, I don't do anything on Sundays. So I had to practice some self-control and not try to open it because I wanted to open it on camera. So yeah, I have my little thing here. You guys, make sure you subscribe because that was some crazy self-control. I mean, it wasn't really that bad. You want to smell these new scents that I have? If you haven't seen the I don't want to show my address, but if you haven't seen my video when I talked about what I did order from Bath & Body Works, you will know what I ordered. But I'm going to show you guys. I'm unboxing it. This is so exciting. Okay, I have this, my little receipt thing. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna start with, what do I want to start with? I don't know. We're gonna start with this, the Bora Bora. I got this just in the fragrance mist because I already have it in the what do you call it? I already have it in the body cream, so I wanted to get the matching fragrance mist. I'm gonna do a whole review on everything that I got, but not in this video. This is just gonna be like a haul, somewhat slash review, not an in-depth review. I just want to. Oh, that smells so good. Wow, this is good stuff. It actually does smell just like the body cream that I have. Next, I have this, the pink watermelon. I love this packaging. The watermelon seeds, y'all. They have it like taped up, not taped, but like a plastic wrap thing around it. Is this like gold? Let's see. I'm so excited to smell this one. Okay, this one smells good. I'm not gonna, there's things I want to say about this, but I want to wait until I do my full review on this. I love this though. It's like a goldish color. Okay, so I have this pink watermelon, and you guys, I have the freaking Boardwalk Taffy. Finally, I love this packaging, by the way. It's like just so pink, and I do wanna spray this though. I'm not gonna say too much because I want to do like in-depth reviews. So let me get the Bora Bora out of the way. I just want to. That smells really good. Wow, that smells really good. It's like, okay, I don't want to say too much. I keep like want to go into depth of what it smells like. And the cream. Should I test out the cream? These reviews, I am so excited to do the reviews for these. But yeah, that's all that I have. I didn't want to get the shower gel of this because, as y'all know, I say it on like every video when I talk about the shower gels. I don't like to use the shower gels because it just doesn't feel good on my skin. But I freaking love this packaging. I got Boardwalk Taffy, pink watermelon, and the Bora Bora Citrus Surf, what do you call it? Fragrance mist. It smells so good in my room right now. You guys, I've been waiting all yesterday to do this video and to open up this package. But yeah, I don't know what my thumbnail should be. I should have waited before I opened it. Oh crap, I'm like dropping things. Anyways, you guys, my next video, I'm about to do it right now. So It might not be up until tomorrow. This video is going to be up today. But I'm going to do... Should I start with the Boardwalk Taffy? Yeah, I'm going to do a review on the Boardwalk Taffy right after this video, you guys. So yeah, this is going to be the end of this video. This is just like to show y'all what I ordered and that it came here. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it if you want. I mean, hopefully people see this anyway. But yeah, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.